Friends, the existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, is a topic that straddles the line between fact and fiction, depending on the interpretation. Here's a breakdown. Facts. 1. UFOs are real. In a literal sense, a UFO simply refers to any object in the sky that cannot be immediately identified. These include aircraft, drones, weather balloons, and natural phenomena like meteors. Many UFO sightings have been later explained to government acknowledgement. Several governments, including the US, have declassified UFO-related documents. For example, the US Pentagon released videos in 2020 showing unidentified aerial phenomena UAPs that were recorded by military pilots. The US government established the All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office (AARO) to investigate such phenomena. 3. Scientific interest. Some scientists and organizations, like SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, investigate the possibility of extraterrestrial life. While no direct evidence has been found, the discovery of habitable exoplanets has fueled interest, fiction and speculation. 1. Aliens and extraterrestrial crafts. Many UFO sightings are attributed to extraterrestrial beings, but there is no conclusive evidence to support this claim. Stories of alien abductions or government cover-ups, for example, Roswell, are often based on speculation or anecdotal accounts. 2. Hoaxes and misidentifications. Some UFO sightings are deliberate hoaxes or misinterpretations of ordinary objects, like airplanes or celestial bodies. Current perspective. While UFOs are real as unidentified phenomena, there's no verified evidence that they are linked to extraterrestrial life. However, scientists and governments remain open to investigating the possibility. The debate continues due to the lack of concrete answers, leaving room for both skepticism and curiosity.